It's been brought up to my attention that a lot of people don't know how to save $1,000 in just one single month. And this is a big problem because $1,000 is pretty much $100 nowadays due to inflation. And if you can't save $1,000 a month, that means you're not saving $12,000 a year. And if you're saving less than $10,000 a year, you're not building generational wealth. And by the time you get ready to retire, you're barely gonna have money to keep living even when you're old. So I'm here today to fix this big problem, and I'm gonna show you guys how to save $1,000 a month, even if you only make $2,000, even if you only make $1,700 a month. I will still show you how you can manage to save $1,000 every single month. And the steps I'm about to go over is absolutely easy. All it takes is your brain power and your will. Have a good mindset, man. Make sure you guys strap in because you don't want to miss any of this information I'm about to be going over in this video. You could possibly save $1,000 or even $2,000 with this method that you're about to learn. Guys, don't forget to subscribe to the channel. We are on the way to 100K, and this is Black Investors Group, where we post daily videos over here on how to make money the easy way. And in today's video, I'm going to be teaching you how you can save $1,000 a month. Stay tuned for more after the intro. Woo! So it's been brought to my attention that a lot of people can't save $500 or even $1,000 a month. And even if you're making $1,700, I'm gonna show you exactly how you can save $1,000 a month. So back when I graduated high school and I just joined the workforce, I was making $1,600 to about $1,800 a month working for a rental car company, UPS, and even being a technician at the Dodge dealership. Now, even though I was making $1,700, $1,800 a month, I was still able to save $1,000 because I didn't have rent to pay. And if you guys aren't paying any money for living, any money for rent, or if you're living absolutely free, then this method should be 100% easy for you, and you will definitely learn how to save $1,000 by the end of this video. On the other hand, if you are paying for rent, guys, and you're still making about $2,000 or $2,500 a month, and your rent is around $800 or even probably $1,200 a month, you still manage to save this $1,000 a month. It's just gonna take a couple more steps and the method that I'm about to show you over on the whiteboard. But before we go to the whiteboard, I do want to mention that we do have online lessons in the Patreon link in the description. Over on the Patreon, you can get cheap lessons over a lot of different niches: making money easy, making money online, marketing your online business, making money in crypto, and even how to build your credit and how to start up a six-figure trucking business. Make sure you go check out the link in the description, subscribe to the Patreon, and if you do have further questions, you want to reach out to me one-on-one, you do want a one-on-one conversation, you do want to schedule a consultation, I do accept coaching calls in the Calendly link in the description, where you can get a 10 to 30 minute conversation with me for only $10. And if you're trying to start your trucking business, because if you look through my channel, I do have a lot of videos on the trucking industry. If you want to start a trucking business or an online business, I will start it up for you. All we have to do is work out a deal over the phone. But with all that being said, man, make sure you guys go ahead and check out those links. Make sure you subscribe to the channel and like this video before it even starts. Let's get right into how to save $1,000 a month. Woo! So the first thing I have to go over when it comes to money, and a big thing on this method, guys, is discipline. Now, I know you don't want to hear discipline, I know you don't want to hear how to save money, but discipline is a huge role in this method, because if you don't have discipline, then you will be spending all of your money that you're supposed to be saving and investing. So now over on the whiteboard, guys, as you can see, we got the ring light in the background, and right here, you can see right here we have a chart to tell you how you can manage your discipline and how you can start saving $1,000 a day. And what this chart is going over is the 1/3 rule, guys. To save $1,000 a month or even more, you want to practice this 1/3 rule. You've probably heard it before, but I'm going to show you in a different scheme. So guys, this 1/3 rule is very important because you want to save 1/3 of your money. You want to have 1/3 of your money that goes to you per month. But here's the catch, guys. So we have your save, your spend, and your investing money. So if you make $3,000 a month, 1K needs to go right here, 1,000 right here, and 1,000 right here. right? So we have $3,000 split up into 3 ways. So you're gonna save $1,000, you're gonna invest $1,000, and you're gonna spend $1,000. Now a lot of you are probably saying, well, I make $3,000 a month, but I have to pay $1,500 towards my rent and towards just basic living. Well guys, if you are paying a lot of money for rent or just to live per month, some of us are paying for every meal that we eat. You know, some people are paying for every single thing that they buy. So I get it. If you are one of those people and you paying $1,500 a month that you will never see, you have $1,500 left over. So with that $1,500, guys, this is what's gonna happen. On your spending money, you may think that this spending money category is for you. It's for a pair of Jordans, it's so you can go to the movies, it's so you can go out to eat every day. No, spending money, guys, is your living expenses, and whatever's left after your living expenses is what you can enjoy. So if you're paying $1,500 a month to live and that's all you have to spend for your spending budget, then you can't buy yourself an extra pair of Jordans or an extra shrimp plate at your favorite restaurant. Instead, what you would do is you would put $1,500 in your spending. You're making $3,000 a month, so you have about $700 that you can save and $700 that you can invest, and then probably an extra $100 to spend for you to get something nice. Now when we go to savings here, right, $700 a month is a good start. That's almost $1,000. It'll take you around 9 or 10 months to reach that $5,000 mark. You want to make sure that your savings account is up to $5,000. You want to get it up to $5,000 just to be safe. You never know if an emergency might happen, especially if you have kids. You just never know what may happen. You may get an unexpected hospital bill, you may get an unexpected car breakdown, and now you just need to get a new car, but you just want to get a cheap cash car, and $5,000 is the perfect price for a good cash car. So I advise to always keep at least $5,000 in your savings account. So after about 9 or 10 months of saving that $700 a month, you will now be able to put $700 more into your investing account. So once you reach that 5K, guys, once you reach that 5K, now you don't have to put $700 in your savings anymore. Now you can invest $1,400 a month to try to make yourself some extra cash flow, because that is the main goal that we're trying to reach, guys. If you don't know what cash flow is just basically how much money you can bring in. So if you're bringing in $3,000 and you need extra cash flow, we need to bring in $3,500 a month so that we can start spending more money on ourselves so we can buy nice things. So this $700 investing money per month, anything that you can think of that you can invest in, whether it be day trading, whether it be stocks, you know, just invest in Johnson & Johnson, Coca-Cola, Apple, Tesla. Buy $200 of stock per week, and over the time, over years, you will see that $200 turn into $1,000. And this is just simple ways where you could just build up passive income buying stocks. Practice day trading, guys. Now with day trading, you might lose a lot of money starting into it because you're new to it, but it will pay off over time. Once you get good at it, guys, you could turn your $700 into $3,000 in just a matter of a day. And also, guys, another big investing tip is, you know, save your money and buy a vehicle. Save your money, buy a cash car off of Craigslist or Facebook, and turn around and sell that car for $500 or $1,000 more for what you bought it for. Also, guys, they do have things like Bovada. Don't mind me, Bovada is a gambling site. It is an easy way that you can make an extra $200 a day, but there is a big risk with gambling. You can also lose $200 a day. You can also invest in crypto trading accounts that does all the work for you, such as Novatech crypto trading platform. Over on Novatech, they do pay you an interest of 3% compound interest every single week. So you're making around 12 to 13% a month in your initial investment. So if you put, let's say, $1,000 in this account, you will be making $30 a week, almost $100 a month in just your first month. Extra money, extra passive income, because you're not doing no work at all. And if you want to learn more about Novatech, you don't have to do any work at all. All the work is invested for you. You just give them initial investment. If you want to learn more about Novatech, I do have videos at the beginning of my channel, the very beginning, going over everything you need to know step by step, all in these 4 videos. So we're we're back, guys. So we're back here. We've reached my $5,000 mark. We don't have to save $700 anymore. Now we have $1,400 to invest each month, and we're still spending $1,500 in rent, guys. So essentially we're saving $1,400 a month, but this is how it's gonna go, guys. With that $1,400, you could possibly make $1,800 or even $1,600. You know, $200 sounds like a little, but it's a lot, because $200 is the whole phone bill. So even though you are investing $1,400 a month, you may only make $200, but guys, just keep it slow and steady. 200 is better than no 100. You can now pay your phone bill, your light bill, or even your out to eat meal with those $200. So you've made $200 with your $1,400. So now you could save your $1,000 a month still, and you could still have $600 left over in this investing money. And whatever you made with that investing money can just go back to your pockets and go back to your spending profile and go in your pockets so you can buy something nice that you want. Whew. Another way that you can make some extra cash flow is you can hop on DoorDash, guys. You guys can hop on DoorDash or Uber Eats. You can make an extra $50 to even $100 a day with these gig apps. And DoorDash is absolutely easy. You can accept or decline whatever order you want. It tells you exactly how much you're getting paid, and you can get paid out in the same exact day. Now Uber Eats does pay better, but they do lie to you when you accept the order. They include the tip, and not everybody always tips. So sometimes it'll say you have a $6 order, but at the end of the day you're only getting paid $2. But you can still make $20 to $70 in just 2 to 3 hours off of these gig apps, and now you can have some extra cash flow to go towards your rent or to go towards whatever you want to buy for yourself. The way that you can build extra cash flow is by freelancing. Freelancing is things such as just selling online products, selling your online services and talents. So if you are a video editor, if you are a photo editor, you could easily go on sites such as Fiverr or Upwork, upload your work, guys, put some samples on there, put a good advertised price, and now you can start getting probably 1 customer a day, or even if you get 3 customers a week, you're making an extra $60 a week for whatever service that you are selling. Because if it is, let's just say, video editing, you could charge $20 per video, and you can get 3 customers a week, giving you $60 a week, and that is an extra $240 a month just by selling your online services. And here's the big thing also to save this $1,000 a month that some of you guys are not gonna like me for, but as you can see right here, we have no vices. So in order to save this $1,000 a month, if you don't want to bring in extra cash flow, if you don't want to hop on DoorDash, if you don't want to freelance, if you don't want to hop on Facebook Marketplace, sell you a car, guys. It's very easy to sell a car. All you have to do is text the person selling it, buy the car, make sure it drives good, buy the car, and all you have to do is post it. Again, wait for somebody to come to you, test drive the car, and all you have to do is sell it to them, meet them at the DMV, fill out the paperwork. Very self-explanatory. But if you don't want to do any of those and you have vices, if you smoke, if you drink, if you go to parties, if you spend your money on a lot of unnecessary things, guys, if you spend your money on video games and you spend 3-4 hours a day on video games, that video game, guys, is costing you $60 a week, whatever you're spending your money from. You know, that smoking or that drinking costing you $60 a week on a bottle or on some cigarettes. And going out to parties, paying these $10, $20 admission fees and buying all these drinks at these parties is cutting out of your pockets and really taking away from your rent money, your investing money, and your savings money. So guys, just try to cut out the vices. But if you can't cut your vices out, if you're just too addicted, please, if you are a gamer, or if your vice is something taking away your time and not so much your money, please try to cut your vices down. Because if you're wasting 4 hours a day, just think about it. You could spend 4 hours on DoorDash, you could spend 2 hours a day filling out a freelance service, and you can look on Facebook. You can even sell things around your house, guys. You can even sell things that you find around your house that you don't use anymore and try to sell it and make easily an extra $200 to $400 a month. But the main thing for this method, guys, and the main way to save this $1,000 a month is you want to set a goal. You want to set a goal of what you want to achieve, what you want to purchase, a big purchase such as a car or whatever, you know what I'm saying? Save that $5,000 and just let it sit in your savings account. Or like I said, guys, you can put your $5,000 into your Novatech crypto trading platform. You do no work whatsoever. All you do is give them your money and they will pay you 3% compound interest every week. So in just a couple months, your $5,000 will turn into $10,000, your $10,000 will turn into $20,000, and then once you get to that $30,000 mark, you will now be making $1,000 a week and absolutely passive income. That's $4,000 a month. You're doing no work at all, and with that, guys, you can quit your job and focus on whatever it is you want to focus on. And before I end off the video, I do want to mention that also, to save some money without even realizing it, guys, you can sign up for Acorns digital penny bank, guys. With this Acorns platform, you are able to round up all of your transactions that you're spending with your debit card up to multiple cards, guys. You can put multiple cards on this account. Save all of the excess change that you're not spending. So say you're spending $2.75 for a candy bar, you will now save 25 cents into your Acorns account. So it rounds your cents up to the nearest whole number, and you can set it to double this amount. So if you're saving 25 cents, it'll go ahead and take out 50 cents from your bank account. And over time, guys, in just 1 year of saving, you know, your pennies on the dollar, you will have $2,000 in your Acorns account, making completely passive income. And that's just like an emergency account that you can have for whatever you need, a quick $2,000, $4,000, depending on how long you let this money sit in there. So go ahead, check out the link in the description on the Acorns. Start saving money today, rounding up your spending, and you can save up to, you know, $20 to $30 a month with this method, and that'll build over time, and you will have thousands of dollars before you know it. But that is it for this video, guys. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, please give this video a quick thumbs up. Please don't forget to like the video, because I did just give you a bunch of free game, a bunch of knowledge, and all I ask for is a like in return so we can get this pushed out to many more people, so many more people can learn how to make money the easy way. Don't forget to look over my channel so you can find the niches that you need so you can make this money the easy way, because we're all about entrepreneurship over here. This is Black Investors Group, where we do post daily. So come get this daily knowledge and make this money the easy way. My name's KINGLATTA. Until tomorrow, if you did learn something new today, make sure you share this video to your friends. But we out. Woo! You talking money, want all of it.